Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today is an exciting day. As you guys just saw, my last video was the reveal of my new daily driver. I sold the Golf R and I bought a BMW M2, a 2018 with the N55. I did not buy a comp for reasons that I'll actually explain in a whole nother video. I think I bought the car when, babe? 2 days ago? Yeah. 2 days ago, and today it's getting an exhaust. Today it's getting the best exhaust for any BMW car in my opinion, besides FI. I'm a really big fan of FI's exhaust. Hopefully we'll work together with something in the future, maybe on another car or even this car, but we're doing an M Performance exhaust. Now, I would like to give a massive shout out at the beginning of the video to Mr. Alex Choi. I'm actually installing Alex's old M Performance exhaust, I mean not really old, his previous M Performance exhaust that he had in his M2 before it became some Trek beast with some custom exhaust that shoots, I don't know. There's a good and there's a bad thing. The good thing is it has the carbon tips, which is how I would have optioned it when I ordered it anyway, and B, the bad news is he lost the actual like valve opener and closer that puts it in a race mode or whatever.
I think you should do this piece later.
No. So I gotta eat food. Long story short, huge thanks to Alex. He's literally pretty much just giving it to me until I get rid of my car and I'll give it back to him. So it's like he's not giving it to me, but he is.
But under break it, buy it.
But yes, if I fuck it up, I have to buy it. But he's gonna be there today. We're going to Avant-Garde Exotics to have it installed. I would be going to SSR, of course, but I actually have no way of getting it there. So Alex is putting in his Tesla and driving it there. He didn't want to drive the OC, which I completely understand. So Downpipes will be done at SSR. Don't worry. I'm excited. We have to go though. My arm really hurts. Wait. I would say welcome to Driven by Jordan, but I'm working on a new intro. That's why I wasn't in the last video. It just has my R8 in it and a couple other cars that I don't own. So we're working on it. We have arrived. That is not Alex's Tesla with my exhaust in it, but that's another Tesla with an exhaust. Oh God, it's so windy. Alex went home to get his M2. The exhaust is already here, so I'm gonna go see what's going on. Maybe Alex will show up here, so I don't know what's going on. She's going up, up and away. Huge shout out to Avant-Garde for coming in clutch. An exhaust is really not a complicated process to put up. Downpipes on the other end are usually more complicated. You gotta take the rear bumper off. Sometimes fender liner, like a ton of shit. We've run into problems.
Super bro time.
Here's the deal. Alex got his car with the M Performance exhaust spec'd. When it comes, for some reason, the center of his exhaust is cut with a clamp. Like from factory, we're thinking. Mine isn't. Alex is driving because he wanted to drive a DCTM2. So now I had to go to the BMW, spend $80 on just a clamp to come back, and then they're gonna cut my stock exhaust, which is gonna make my feelings hurt a little bit in the moment, but I'll get over it, and then we'll put the new exhaust on with the clamp. So that's the current mission. Hey Alex, I'm about to tell Alex something really funny. Because today's been a shit show. I brought my keys to Alex by accident so they couldn't move my car, which is why they're getting started on it now. So we have to deal with an iPhone for the rest of the whole clip. What? Where's the camera? Why are you on your phone? Look man, my brain's all over the place today. It might be in your M2. There's too much going on today for me to handle anything. Hey, get your damn blade away from my car, okay?
Dude, only the best for you. That is a brand new blade.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna completely wreck how straight we cut it, but
good.
It's gonna be a clean cut.
As long as the cut's shit, but it was with a good blade, I'm in. We're measuring in hopes that we don't cut it too short. By we don't cut it too short, I mean they don't cut it too short, because if I were to cut it, my car wouldn't run at all. Oh, here we go. And there goes my stock exhaust. And my camera. Oh wait, not my camera, because I left that in Alex's car. Damn it. Oh, she's off. Oh, you're strong, huh?
I'm flexing for the camera.
Oh, gotcha. This right here is the moment of truth up there.
No way.
Did we do exactly what we said we were gonna do?
If it's anywhere close to that, that is cash.
Oh, so we did perfection here, huh? On accident. She looks good with the carbon on carbon though. Alex though, clearly, you know, fucked up a little bit here, but that's okay. There's spider webs in it, but hey, he gave it to me, so what am I gonna say? Correction, he lent it to me, but it's on a long lease program. Y'all, she's all hooked up. She's looking good. He cleaned this up, you know what I'm saying? So it's like refurbished from Alex Choi. And they're bringing us coffee, which is what I need after this shit show of a day. But what we had to do was leave the valves open because I ordered the little remote thing, and then Alex has a module thing in his car that we needed to, I don't know. They're just gonna be open for now. We're gonna be extra loud and we'll deal with it. But let's get a cold start. My lady's back. Alex is back with our Starbucks order. Would you want to do the honors so I can hear my car? I don't know how much louder it's going to be on startup, but I will sit here like I do every YouTube video, stare at you guys, and listen to the car. Keep in mind, we still have cats. In the future, that's definitely going to change. Alex said, dude, it's not going to be that much louder. Hold this, hold this. Yeah, go for it. All right, you ready? All right, go for it. Oh my God, that's sounds so much better. All right, let's take it down and take her out for a spin. First impressions thing right now.
Purple and drive like a maniac. You sound like every British YouTuber. No offense to me, I love you.
Purple?
She's nice.
We like good burbles. I sound like every British YouTuber. Hello, BMW M2. She's not crazy loud, but the burbles are loud. I like the
What's
burbles.
gonna make it louder?
Downpipes
CATLESS?
will make it ridiculously loud.
Big.
But it'll make way more noise in tunnels right now, I'll tell you that much. The burbles are the best. I had to film on my phone because my dumbass obviously forgot the camera. The exhaust is beautiful right now. I'm enjoying it. The burbles are a lot louder. It's way throatier. We're gonna go to why can I not talk right now? God bless you.
Just sneeze on me?
We're gonna go to food right now.
Also guys, get this. He says, this just dawned on me. He says that he's gonna keep this car and his future car, that I already know what it is, forever. He's like, I'm never gonna sell them. But I know you're capping, you know why?
Why?
Because you are gonna need content to film and you're gonna run out of content on this car. So you're gonna need a new daily for a new...
I know, but my theory is in the world where I'm rich enough to just do it all and I can keep all my cars. Ah, I got her beat here. We can still buy cars for content.
Hey guys, I'm starving.
Well, I'm a little dark, so why is that? I wish you guys could see where the camera is right now. Good morning, guys. We are here again at my favorite place in the entire world. It's like Disneyland for me, SSR Performance, because today, as you guys can see, we got another exhaust video. My favorite days ever are when I come here and I get an exhaust installed just because my reactions are always the best. And I'm here with my brand new, it's right here, you guys can't really see it, BMW M2. I did do the M Performance exhaust, shout out to Alex. The only thing it was missing was downpipes. So today we're here, we're gonna be installing VRSF, CATLESS downpipes, and we're most likely gonna be doing a tune. I'm gonna be doing Bootmod3. I don't even know if I'm going stage 1 or stage 2. I've read everywhere that stage 2 requires intercooler, but I've also heard otherwise from other people, so I'm gonna figure that out today. We'll see. If not, I don't have an intercooler in this car, or an intake. So, if that's the case, maybe I just go stage 1 anyway, but it really just depends. I do like my burbles, so we'll see how much burbles it has. It should just open up already because the car burbles so much, so I should be good. Speaking of the devil, I don't know, his car is exploding right now. But yeah, guys, if you guys, okay. The myth, the man, the legend himself, and his film crew. Ah!
What's up?
Did I scare you a lot? He's always ready for cameras in his face. See, Shaw's been YouTubing, and then I'm over here forgetting that I YouTube. So this is what's going on today. Beautiful VRSF 4-inch CATLESS downpipe. Bam. First of all, I love how cheap these things are. The weird thing is, with all my other cars, the downpipes are like 80 times the size and take 80 times the amount of time. This should be a quick install. I'm super excited. My car's really filthy and it's being filmed, which is scary. Should have cleaned it, but Jeremy's sprinklers decided to f my car up this morning, and then it got pollen dropped on top of it, so it's just been destroyed without my permission. We're sitting here and there is a absolutely destroyed Huracan. If anyone's trying to buy a project that would take me 20 years. By the time I finish this car, this would be like the Gallardo of its time. I'm probably gonna stray away from this one, but it's just really sad to see such a pretty car so fudged up. Jeremy, is this your next project? I mean, you already have a project you're working on, is just getting your car to work. But on another note, Jeremy, for those of you guys do not know, he has an E92 M3 and it's having some issues. It has been going in the limp mode for like the past month. Yesterday we swapped out the battery, which was like 200 some bucks. You swapped out your gas cap and it still goes in the limp mode. But now you have 2 gas caps and a fully charged working battery, so.
What could be better?
Yeah.
Oh,
and
my car working.
And he would have taken it here to get the codes checked to see what's actually throwing the emissions code, but it probably wasn't gonna make it here, so he's kind of in a debacle.
I'm just gonna read them at home.
I guess now it's just a waiting game. I'm gonna get back there, we're gonna film some of the process. I just have a lot of people with me, so, you know, we'll see. Cooner's here, who you'll see in the video soon. I mean, you know, whenever you show up somewhere there's some cool cars, you gotta show a couple cars. Jeremy has found an E90 M3. Then over here you got a nice little 4-door C63S. I think it's an S, I haven't looked at the back, but I'm sure it's an S, okay. And then a little F80 M3, pretty stock, pretty nice. I'm a fan. Cooner!
Hi.
These two haven't seen each other in like 10 years. Ladies and gentlemen, downpipe's being installed. I just want to come here and check on the car. The tune is obviously going to be installed after. We're trying to get some food, but there's music playing, so I gotta go. Wait! I wasn't filming and he started it. Oh my God. Ah!
So good. I love how you're like.
Wait, I gotta get my angle. That's how it's supposed to sound, I think. Yep, I like that. For some reason, in that mode, that burbles way more for some reason.
Sounds beastly.
I've had, what, 3 cars done here?
Yeah.
I think that's it right there. That's gonna be the top.
Yeah.
Oh,
Monster, man. Dude.
my God, this engine sounds so good.
I love that smell.
Huh?
Dude, that CATLESS smells so good too.
Bro, what the f? The N55 is so deep. Feel it in my chest. I want to just go sit down and talk about it. Like I'm not over it yet. I also took a silhouette. I might have, this isn't on SSR because this is my fault. I might have told them this is gonna take no more than an hour. Katie, how long have we been here?
Almost the whole school day.
Yeah, we've been here like 5 hours. So right now they're putting a module on that we had to take off Alex's car, put on my car. Maybe it's taking longer than it took to take off. Maybe it was harder to install, but we're waiting. I still haven't even heard the car besides those revs. I still haven't heard it from outside the car. I haven't driven it and felt the tune. I haven't heard it from inside the car. I haven't done a lot of things. So I'm still just freaking out over the noise, but we haven't really drove it. So when it gets here, me and Jeremy are gonna take it off for a couple seconds and then we're gonna head home. I'm super excited, but my family hates me. First of all, thank you to this man for just saving lives. I'm just saying thank you to you because you're a legend. You keep doing you. Don't let my car fall on you, that wouldn't be fun. But right now we're having, I guess these wires were in Alex's track car. Alex's M2 that used to not be a track car, now it's like a crazy track car. He left the module plugged in. I'm guessing it's really hot under there and a little part of the wire got like melted, burned, I don't know. He's gonna try to make sure the wire is not gonna short circuit and ruin all my valves on my car. So again, SSR coming in clutch. How long you guys been here, you think? Since my car was finished, pretty much what?
Yeah.
It's been a while. Yeah. 2 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours.
So as appreciation, because look at this. Look at my man Shot here on the YouTube game. Everyone's gotta go subscribe to the SSR channel, check out some of the videos because he's killing it. And I was actually checking them out, dude.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you guys. Keep it up. If you guys like cars, bro, this is literally Disneyland. Y'all have an E90, AMG GTS, dude. Crazy, bro. Crazy. You're gonna need to move soon. You're outgrowing this place. Car should be done soon. We're gonna drive it soon, and hopefully it won't backfire and blow my car up. It will, but if it does, it'll be good content. So. Oh, my girl, she makes so many noises. The idol. Oh, she's not even in manual. There you go. Oh. Yes!
That is so good.
I can feel the power though, way different. Also, I read your car has to kind of get used to it. What is it gonna sound with traction mode on?
Does traction actually change it?
Yeah, watch. See how it's just deeper? People say your car needs to get used to the tune. I can immediately feel the power difference. That's like one of the, like the throttle response is way lighter. The throttle doesn't have as much weight to it, which sounds weird, but. I actually do without traction in sport mode. It's actually, alright, let's go to Sport Plus. Oh yes. Oh god, yes. I don't even know where I'm going. I don't even think this takes us back. Yes. And it's not too much burbles, like it's just the right amount. And those last two.
Oh, he does that little pop-pop right at the end.
CATLESS smell.
I love that CATLESS.
God. Yeah, we like this. Maybe comfort takes away pops. I don't know what comfort would do. I doubt it. I doubt anything's working right now. Wait.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm burble free and comfort. I'm neighborhood free.
Imagine down a hill.
So I think there's more burbles in sport. Oh my god.
Have you gotten full throttle yet?
Oh, nothing full, and we'll go first. I just try to, it's, I read online they said to let the tune kind of learn, but I guess we're just...
Oh my god.
I love this, bro. This car needed this.
Wrap up your clip right here.
I can't. that right now.
Are you feathering it, or that's literally it?
That's just my foot off, bro. Ah! It's so good! So worth 8 hours. Alright guys, we need to head home. We've been here for like 8 hours. The car sounds amazing. Again, I cannot shout out SSR anymore for the love. They put in 8 hours of work on my car today. Oh, Jeremy somehow ended up driving my car. There he goes. We need to get the valves to work. We're gonna try to figure it out when we're gone. I'm gonna get arrested. I'm gonna get arrested. There's no other way. We're gonna go home now, so I'll end the video when we go home. It's the next morning. I wanted to end the video because I can't film an entire video about an exhaust and not do a cold start in the morning. That would be rude and disrespectful. So what I'm gonna do is set the camera down. I'm gonna give the camera to my dad. He's gonna film the cold start. It would be that loud. It was not that loud yesterday. I guess we'll end it there. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Can't wait for the next video. Subscribe if you guys are new. Like the video if you enjoyed. See, that's how it sounded when it started up when it was hot. Wow, cold starts are loud. I like that. I like that. My neighbors don't like that, but I like that. I love you guys. Peace out. See you in a couple days.